Hello there, scientists. Well, this might look like party time, but I'm afraid it's not such a happy occasion, at least if you're a balloon. Yes, a few of these colourful balloons are about to have their bubbles burst, but all in the name of scientific discovery. Plus, we might just discover that some of them are tougher than they look. Righto, balloon test number 1, the sharp pointy object. Everybody knows that the sharp pointy object, in this case a bamboo skewer, is the natural enemy of the balloon. But did you know you can actually make them best friends with a little bit of know-how? So what do? Well, you put the bamboo skewer into the balloon, like so. Ironically, the sharper the bamboo skewer, the better. There we go, so we're in. Can we get it back out the other side? Complete the trick. Oh, there you go, look at that. It's like a balloon kebab. So how's it done? Is it sorcery? Is it magic? Well, it's neither of those things, it's just science. It's because, look where I put it in, right on the end, where there's thicker rubber. And the balloon wasn't a full-size balloon when we started. And I came out on the thicker rubber as well, so the rubber's got a little bit of elasticity left in it. And you'll notice it's slowly shrinking, because it's slowly leaking air. But if you need to prove it is still a real balloon, just take it out. Oh. See? Just as a sharp object can be the enemy of a balloon, well, a candle flame can also be disastrous. You don't believe me? Oh, now junior scientists will need a bit of help with this experiment, but a balloon and a flame, well, as you can see, they don't really go together. But of course, it doesn't have to be this way. Let's try that experiment one more time with this balloon. Look, it's... What? Haha, well this balloon's not like the other one. Well, the balloon is, but listen. It's got water inside it. You could say I cheated, but in fact putting the water in there makes it really good at absorbing heat because water has got a really high heat capacity, as we scientific folks say. That means it's really great at soaking up the heat and stopping the rubber getting hot and ripping apart. In fact, water absorbing heat is really useful in cars and even nuclear power plants to stop them overheating. I wonder if it could take even more heat. Not that much heat. Huh, maybe not. Well, next test. Squashing a balloon is a surefire way to pop it. I don't think I need to do it right now. But did you know that you can actually stand on balloons without popping them? And if you don't believe me, well, here's me doing it earlier. Amazing, huh? And that is not trick photography. That's actually me standing on balloons. So what's going on? Well, just like the skewered balloons, these ones need to be smaller than usual balloons, about half size. They've got plenty of stretch left in them. Next thing you need to do is use more than one balloon. So you get maybe about 4 balloons, and then you want to spread the weight evenly across those balloons. So you get a nice flat surface. Make sure underneath the balloons is also flat and not too spiky, otherwise that will just pierce the balloon and explode it. And if you've got your setup like that, well, in no time, you'll be surfing balloons, and they can take an extraordinary amount of weight. Good one to give a go. Now, it's not so easy to turn any of these mini bits of science into an actual experiment, but it is possible. With the skewering a balloon, for example, you could try different types of skewers and even differently sized balloons and see how they react. With the balloon with the water in it and the flame, you could test different types of liquid inside the balloon to see their heat capacities. You could even just change the amount of water in there, or I suppose you could try different types of heat or different types of flame. And when it comes to standing on balloons, well, I guess again you can try different sizes of balloons or even just see how much weight 4 balloons could take. Or of course you can just have fun doing them.